What's up guys, Will Mitchell here. We have an amazing video today. We're gonna go up to Secret Beach. We're gonna film all the commercial development, all the Airbnbs, bars, restaurants, everything being built along the coastline of Secret Beach. As I'm sure many of you know, all the beaches in Belize are public access. So a lot of savvy investors are acquiring lots off the beach and still getting to enjoy all these amazing amenities. So let's go check this out right now, guys.
Laying in a deck chair, feeling the sunshine, sipping margaritas all day. Having a good life, got you by my side, summer should never end. Sharing the same bed, spending these nights, having sex whenever we like. Laying in a deck chair, feeling the sunshine, let's make these wishes come true. Got a damn good life, got a good life, got a damn good life, got a good life, got a damn good life, got a good life, got a damn good life with you. Yeah, got a good life, yeah, got a good life, got a good life, got a good life with you. Got a good life. Got a damn good life with you.
She got cherry lips, angel eyes. She knows exactly how to tantalize. She's out to get you, danger by design. Cold-blooded vixen, she don't compromise. She's something mystical in colored lights. So far from typical, but take my advice. Before you play with fire, do think twice. And if you get burned, don't be surprised. Lifted, drifting higher than the ceiling. Ooh, baby, it's the ultimate feeling. You got me lifted, feeling so gifted. Sugar, how you get so fly? Sugar, how you get so fly? Ooh, sugar, how you get so fly? Sugar, how you get so fly? Ooh, sugar, how you get so fly?
lost until the day. Oh, we get wild, wild over here. Don't want you to know here what I do, not hang out on the bay. Oh, It's a wild, wild world.